everybody, Adam from LS2 Helmets. I want to show you how to install the breath box on your LS2 Thunder helmet. So first thing you want to do, open up that shield all the way to the top, and you're going to remove the breath guard here and just pull up on that, like so. It's held in by these tabs and the slots here on the inside of the helmet. Set that off to the side. Go ahead and grab your breath box, and you can see it's got these 4 pins right here on the bottom edge of the breath box. There are 4 holes along the front chin bar here. You're just going to go ahead and line those up, seat it into place like so. Just kind of get them lined up, and then you can press those in and you're all set. Very easy, very straightforward. And to remove that, just simply pull out on those pins like that and go ahead and line up the tabs and slots here on the breath guard. And that should slot back in very nicely and easily. Sometimes it's a little easier when you look at it. There we go. Fully reinstalled, and you're ready to ride.